Hi there, welcome back to Isabel Explains, the channel where you learn what you wish they would teach you in school. In this video, we will talk about the 10 great money habits that you can practice while you're in college so you don't go broke. Let's go! First and foremost, you have to make a budget and stick to it. There's no way around that, all right? And if you don't have much practice with that, that's totally fine. I highly recommend that you read the book Get Good with Money by Tiffany Aliche, aka The Budgetista, because she has amazing tips on not just how to make a budget, but on becoming what she calls financially whole. And she's also hilarious and super relatable, so check out her book and the link I left for you on the video description. Now, once you have read her book, here are a few tips I recommend you follow to not go broke while you're living the college life. Number 1, live off campus or with your parents. I know, it doesn't sound like the sexiest idea. I myself got out of my house when I was 17, and you also may think that it will rob you out of your full college experience, but that's just not true. If you get roommates that are also going to school with you, trust me, you will get a college experience. And what is a college experience anyway? College, like anything else in life, is what you make it. So if it's up to you to pay for college, staying off campus is probably a much more affordable option. Just make sure that all of your roommates are in the lease agreement. You'll thank me later. Number 2, limit eating out. Buy groceries instead. This also goes for college meal plans. There goes Isabel, taking away my college experience again. Nah. Preparing your own meals may sound overwhelming at first, but learning how to cook is a life skill that we should all develop, regardless of age, religion, gender, or what you think your role will be in your household once you partner up. It doesn't matter. We should learn how to cook. Don't believe me? Let's do the math. According to educationdata.org, a campus meal plan averages $450 a month, whereas meals cooked at home average $260 a month. That's 42% savings! So the average 4-year college would cost you $14,400 in meal plans, or you could spend only $8,320 in meals cooked at home, saving you over $6,000, which you can put towards a car, an investment portfolio, or even a CD to get you started on putting your money to work for you. And if you don't know what a CD is, you gotta check out the video where I explain CDs. Number 3, take advantage of student discounts. One of my favorite things about being a student was that I would get discounts on pretty much anything, even at the thrift store. So just be careful though with discounts, because you gotta stick to buying what you need, because otherwise you end up overspending, which defeats the purpose of the discount in the first place. Number 4, buy used textbooks when possible. I know, you're going to be taking that molecular genetics class that requires the most up-to-date version because science is so ever-changing and last year's edition is outdated already.
That's not true!
Unless there has been a unique scientific breakthrough in that field, chances are that the new edition won't vary that much. The only thing you have to watch out are the page numbers, which may not match perfectly, and assignments straight from the book. But hey, if you partner up with someone who didn't watch this video and got the latest version, you can get the correct assignment from them. Number 5, limit alcohol.
Seriously?
Yeah, seriously. Not only will alcohol drain your bank account, recent studies have shown that alcohol literally makes you dumber. So if you appreciate your brain, or at the very least don't want to waste money repeating classes or on doctor visits due to alcohol poisoning, you may want to stay away from alcohol altogether. Because if you can't have fun without alcohol, maybe there is a bigger issue you may want to address.
Damn!
I'm just saying. Number 6, buy games that you can reuse. Board games, card games, and even some made-up games can be reused over and over and over. Avoid hosting games that cause a lot of waste, like games that involve a ton of plastic cups or a ton of paper. Play games that you can pack up and just pull them back out anytime you want to play it. This one may not sound like a big deal, but trust me, it adds up. Number 7, make good friends that are also financially conscious. Your circle matters way more than you probably think. In Spanish we say, dime con quién andas y te diré quién eres, which literally translates to, tell me who you hang out with and I'll tell you who you are. You become the average of the 5 people you hang out with the most. The people by your side can build you or they can break you. So choose your circle wisely. Number 8, stay off drugs. This includes marijuana and Adderall. When I was in college, I remember there were people who took Adderall to help them focus, even though they didn't have ADD or ADHD. And some would do the Mary Jane, to help them relax before or after a test. And this should go without saying, but that's just literally the worst thing you can do for your brain. First of all, it has been scientifically proven that taking ADHD drugs when you don't have ADHD actually decreases performance and cognition function, meaning it makes you dumber. And second of all, we all know that marijuana damages your brain too, meaning it makes you dumber too. So if you want to waste your money in stuff that's actually going to hurt your performance in school, be my guest. But then don't say I didn't warn you, okay? Number 9, avoid credit card debt. I didn't say avoid using credit cards, I said avoid credit card debt. If you've seen any of my videos about credit, then you know that there is good debt and bad debt. And college is probably a great time to start building good credit. And that means buying only what you can afford, paying back anything you use your credit card for, and staying on top of your finances. Credit card debt can get you off to a bad start when it comes to building credit. You don't want that to happen to you. Trust me, that's exactly what happened to me. Learn from my mistakes. And number 10, take care of your physical and mental health. Sometimes we go through life reacting to everything that comes at us, especially in college, and we do it at the expense of our own health, both physical and emotional. But without health, nothing else matters. If you're not in good health, it doesn't matter how much money you have because you won't be able to enjoy it anyway. So make sure to have fun, take time to relax and decompress, and spend quality time with family and friends. I hope you have a wonderful, memorable, and fulfilling time in college. And if there are any questions you have about college life, saving money, building credit, or dealing with taxes, I'll be happy to make a video for you. Just make sure to put it in the comments, and I'll see you on my next video. And as always, remember to keep on learning. Now, once you have so if it's up to you to pay for college, this may not sound. So the average 4-year college would cost you for year, I don't know. Let's just read it. Keep going. The how to make a budget, but on becoming what you. This one may not sound as much. If you get roommates.